Portia releases financial records. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Nadine McLeod.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the police nabbed Chinese national involved in international fraud ring.
Meanwhile, high-profile individuals targeted in a separate scam.
And we begin our look at the financial struggles of potential tertiary students.
Indicom calls police action commendable in viral video of altercation with a woman.
In the business day, BOJ says higher food costs to drive inflation.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of today's release of financial records from opposition leader Portia Miller?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.